biting me.
Did you catch anything?
I think it's a big bass. I don't know if they have bass here though.
Hi guys! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. We are here at Apollo Bay today. Apollo Bay is actually a campsite which is in the west of Melbourne. So it's a 200-kilometer away from the Melbourne city and a 2-hour worth of drive if you are coming from the city center itself. It's a campsite being rented out to people who want to experience Outback or to experience camping, wherein there are still facilities like toilet or washroom if you are sensitive on doing your business in the wilds or in the Outback, as they say here in Australia. Me and my family are camping here, and of course with Sherlock. You will see him walking around here while I take this video. And we're going to stay here for 2 nights, 2 days and 2 nights. So we just arrived today. Today is Thursday and we're gonna stay here till Saturday. We drove from the city and we had some stops coming here. So we already stopped by at Bells Beach and at Lorne Beach. It's a town center where you can have lunch or you can buy some souvenirs. And after that we stopped by to a grocery store where you can buy some fresh meat or pre-marinated meat that you can grill or you can fry here in the campsite. I'll be showing you how we have set up our tent here. Currently we are using Oztrail Tent, which was borrowed to us by my husband's colleague. And it's an easy to set up tent. Maybe it took us around 30 minutes to set up, being we have 3 men here. And I'll be showing you as well what are the things that you need before you set up a tent. So while they're setting up the tent, I'm here with Sherlock while he is still eating his grass. This is a very cool place and currently the weather here is 13 degrees. It's summer here in Victoria. Weather forecasted was sunny for today and tomorrow, but of course with the Victoria weather you never know what happened. Or as people say, Melbourne has 4 seasons in a day, in which we are experiencing right now. It's not too bad because since we're camping we prefer a cold weather than a very sunny and hot day. So after showing you how to set up a tent, now I'm going to show you some clips on how they try to fish. They're not going to use a live bait, but a small tiny fish. I think it's a plastic thing wherein you can buy from some store or some shops that sells fishing gears or fishing stuff. Actually, I'm not very knowledgeable on how they do it or how they fish, but later on we'll see if they are gonna catch anything. How you fish? 101. So that's a wrap of my short vlog of camping and fishing. We're not very pro or we're not very used to doing this. This is only the second time that we've done this, and just to be safe, we're doing it in the same place. We've done this initially before last 30th and 31st of December with our friend Mandy, who visited us from Singapore. And now we're doing it with my family who are visiting us from Philippines. So anyway, if you have any comments or if you like this video, please click thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and ring that bell on top so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Again, thank you for watching. This is MisunderstoodCheeky and hope to see you again in my next video. Cheers. Bye.